Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good evening everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all had a restful long weekend, celebrating Eid and Easter with your families. However, the holidays are over and we need to get back to business. I've called the meeting because we are facing a predictable yet severe post-holiday sales slump. Consumer purchasing power is fatigue. Our objective today is to finalize a strategy to upscale our sales performance for the remainder of quarter 2. Audrey, let's start with your current numbers.
Thank you, Cesar. Good evening, teams. As expected, our sales spiked beautifully in the weeks leading up to Eid and Easter. However, the drop-off over the last 5 days has been sharper than our historical averages. We are currently tracking 15% below our baseline target for this week. Customers stockpile our products during the promos, and right now, basket size at retail checkouts are shrinking. We need a strong push to get them buying again before the end of the month.
I do like to jump in here. Audrey is right about the shrinking basket sizes, but pushing aggressive discount right now is the wrong move. Customers are experiencing promo fatigue to trigger immediate purchase intention. We need to shift their attitude toward our products from holiday luxury to everyday necessity.
Hold on, Rich. Before you purpose a massive new brand awareness campaign, I have concern. I completely disagree with throwing more money at the wall. We burned through 40% of our annual marketing budget on the Ramadan and Easter mega sales. We cannot afford another high budget media push. Any strategy you purpose needs to be exceptionally cost efficient.
I hear you, Samuel. I'm not asking for a massive ad spend. I'm proposing a grassroots strategy. We pivot away from paid digital ads and focus heavily on community engagement and organic word of mouth. We launched a post-holiday detox and reset bundle. We position our existing inventory as the perfect way to recover from holiday overindulgence. We partner with micro-influencer. We already have an retainer to drive the narrative. It's low-cost, high engagement.
I actually like the reset bundle idea, Rich. It gives my sales team a fresh angle to pitch to distributors. But I need clarification. How quickly can we roll these bundles out to the modern trade channels? If it takes 3 weeks to repackage, we've already lost the quarter 2 momentum.
We don't physically repackage, we do virtual bundling at the point of sale. Buy product A and B together, get a minor specific part so we can have the POS materials ready for distribution by Monday.
That sounds great from a customer standpoint, but we need to talk about our internal capacity. Caesar, the operation, marketing, and sales team have been working overtime for the last 2 months to support the holiday rush. They are exhausted. If we immediately launch a new high-pressure initiative by Monday, we are going to face a serious burnout and high turnover.
That's a valid concern, Sandy. We can upscale our external sales if our internal engine is breaking down. What do you suggest?
If Audrey expect the sales reps to push these new virtual bundles aggressively, we need a short-term internal incentive programs. It doesn't have to be a huge cash bonus. We could offer extra paid type of days for the top performing team this month, or a tiered reward system. We need to boost their morale first.
PTO is a liability on books, Sandy, but it's a cheaper than a direct cash bonus payout right now. If we calculate the cost of loss hour versus the project revenue from Reach bundle strategy, I can approve a localized PTO incentive program, but Aldrich, your team has to hit a minimum 10% increase in volume to make financial sense.
A 10% increase is aggressive given the current slump. Somewhere, I be more comfortable commuting to 7%.
7% barely covers the operational overhead of the new POS material Reach want to print. We need 9% minimum to justify the margin.
Fine, 9%. But Sandy, I need that incentive program finalized and communicated to my regional managers by tomorrow morning. They need a carrot to Angel.
I can have the framework drafted by 4 p.m. today for the Caesar to review. We'll launch it at the all hands meeting tomorrow.
And I will ensure the marketing message aligns with this. We will focus strictly on driving positive word of mouth and leveraging our existing customer base. No new paid media buys. Samuel, you have my word.
Excellent. This is exactly the kind of dynamic problem solving we need. Let's summarize the action item. Rich, you finalize the detox reset bundle strategy using existing inventory and micro-influencer EOD. Aldrich, you are on the hook for the 9% volume increase using the new narrative. Sandy, drive the BTO incentive structure to keep the sales force motivated without breaking the bank. Samuel, keep the tight list on the POS, printing budget, and track the ROI weekly. Are we aligned on the deliverables?
Understood.
Nice work, team. Let's execute this and close quarter 2 strong. Thank you for your time. Meeting adjourned. Good evening, everyone. Ulang.
Baik.
2, 3. Excellent. Ulang, langsung lihat. Great work, team. Let's execute this. Nice work, team. Nice work, team. Let's execute this and close quarter 2 strong. Thank you for your time. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you.